Hi everyone, it is Sunday and I figured I'd show you a couple purchases that I have gotten in the last week. And some of these you've already seen, but I figured I'd give you an update. So about a week and a half ago, I showed you a red cashmere sweater and a white button-up from Macy's, and they were too small. So I actually exchanged them. When I exchanged them, ended up saving $30. So she did a return and a repurchase. And I got this is a Calvin Klein, as you can see, fitted button up. It has these French cuffs here, so you would keep them buttoned and then turn over the sleeves. And I ended up having to size up in a 4 petite in this. And I would say that this is my size. I don't feel any tightness. It is supposed to be a fitted blouse, but there's no pulling, there's no gaping. And it's comfortable on me. So if you're interested in this blouse, I would say size up on it. The other one was pretty snug on me. And also today I purchased these jeans. These are black jeans. Note that they are very, very long on me. They're in a zero regular from White House Black Market. So if you are extremely tall, these will not work for you because they're fitting me at 5'2". I was afraid to get these in a short because I figured if I can get away with heels in these here, a short would be too short. And I just got rid of black jeans that were too short. So these jeans have this like pin tuck detailing here. Hopefully you can see that. They're black, they have, they're faded, but not like overly faded. There's no distressing, they just have some dimension to them. So they're not that pitch black dye jean. They're definitely got some fading to give them some dimension. And I'm very happy with these jeans. I think the fading gives them a little edge. The pin tucky makes them a little dressy. This is like a great jean for a night out outfit. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the red sweater. Okay, and here is the red sweater from Charter Club. This is a cashmere sweater, obviously the V-neck. This one I had to size up to a 4 petite, and I still say I like the quince one better. Unfortunately, the quince one did not come in red, and I've been looking for a red cashmere sweater. The two items together, I believe, were $114. Not a bad price for the two together. I actually have to check my Macy's bill now to make sure that the return went through before the purchase one came on. So yeah, this is the sweater. It's a keeper. I would say this is a good fit for me, whereas the other one was just too snug. Yeah, and these are my purchases today here with the jeans. So I'm very happy to find the jeans. I wish they were a smidge, just a smidge shorter, but I knew going to a short would just be too short, and I'd be in the same situation where I was with these other jeans, which I gave away because I just felt like a jerk in them. Felt they were too short. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. Appreciate your support. Give this video a thumbs up, click the notification bell, and take care. Until next time.